Today, I'm going to share with you the Sunshine Spice Tea that you need to get into your daily tea beverage routine today for optimizing your health. Let's dig into my favorite topic, tea time. Let's go. Welcome back, friends. I just finished my day and I've been sipping on a tea that I thought, I have never introduced all of you to the powerful benefits of drinking saffron tea. I don't know if you can see how gorgeous this tea is. It's a wonderful fragrance. It's a very expensive spice. And it's honestly, in my opinion, is one of the most important herbs that you should be drinking in a tea form because there are a multitude of health benefits. I'm going to share with you several of those benefits today. Particularly, number one, this is called the Sunshine herb. And part of it's because it turns your water absolutely this beautiful ray of sunshine. But specifically, saffron has been clinically proven to be extremely effective at combating depression. Mild to moderate depression has actually been clinically researched and has been proven to be just as effective, if not more effective, than Prozac. That's pretty impressive. And a simple cup of saffron tea can literally bring some happy sunshine into your life. Now, saffron has been in the medicinal herbal category for thousands of years. We record it well over 3,500 years ago. And saffron specifically has amazing heart health benefits. Saffron is highly potent antioxidant, which makes saffron extremely beneficial in the heart health category. Specifically, it can help lower your cholesterol, it can help lower triglyceride levels, and how I use it is I drink it every day to help me manage my blood pressure. I've been extremely transparent with many of you about my struggles with high blood pressure. It got kicked off at the end of my third trimester with Gabriel, and just has not been able to be regulated or controlled, and it's kind of all over the road. But what I found is that drinking saffron tea has extremely been beneficial in lowering both my systolic and diastolic values. So I hope you might find that helpful if you suffer from mild, moderate, or even severe blood pressure. The good news is that saffron does not have your traditional kind of contraindicators with blood pressure medicine or blood thinners that maybe some other teas might. So I just love that as a great resource for all of us that are concerned about our heart health. Now, ladies, listen up. Saffron is extremely beneficial for combating PMS symptoms, from bloating and irritability, mild depression, and just overall malaise and changes in your breast tenderness and even cramps. Drinking saffron tea twice a day, so you're aiming for about 15 milligrams twice a day in a tea form, can greatly benefit PMS. So gentlemen, if you have any ladies in your life that might experience PMS, grab them some saffron tea. They will greatly appreciate it, and so will you. And another powerful benefit of saffron is that it has the capacity to help support our brain health. Particularly, it can lower brain inflammation and it can help boost memory and mental acuity. So if you are concerned about any type of brain fog experiences, weaker memory recall, maybe short-term or long-term memory loss, or degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, MS, and now with long haulers, long COVID, saffron is definitely one of the things I recommend for my patients that are presenting with neuro-impacted long COVID, meaning they're having a lot of the neurological imbalances. Maybe they're feeling tingling or weird sensations down their limbs, their arms, their legs. Maybe they're also experiencing some gastro imbalances. Saffron is really good for supporting our brain health. So those are 4 powerful benefits to drinking saffron tea. So cheers to you. I hope you grab some saffron tea next time. If you're at Trader Joe's, they have a little saffron, a loose saffron. I'll include some links to some of my favorite natural organic saffron dispensers. This will come primarily as a loose leaf tea, but I also have one of my favorite brands, Buddha Teas, has it in a little tea bag. So I'll post a link down below where you can grab that. But just know it is a little bit more of a more expensive herb, but just know you don't need a lot. I'll throw in maybe 10 of the little kind of saffron. They're like basically the inside of the flower petal of the crocus plant. And I'll throw it down in my little diffuser. And that turns my tea this bright, bright yellow. And it smells so wonderful. So I cannot wait to hear how all of you do with saffron. My question of the day, comment down below, is have you ever had saffron tea, or have you ever utilized it in any type of cooking recipe? And if you have, let me know. I'm interested in starting to use saffron more in cooking, but just don't have that experience. So please feel free to share. Recipe links down below. My family will be grateful, and we're excited about expanding our palette beyond just tea and this medicinal power of saffron. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you give me a like, comment down below, and for any of you who might be dealing with lymphatic disorders or curious about supporting your lymphatic system, stay tuned for a special Sunday edition as I celebrate and kick off World Lymphedema Day with all of my lymphatic patients and community members to celebrate lymphatic awareness. And I'm going to be posting a really important video for all of you. I can't wait to see you on Sunday. Have a great weekend.